Your wallet is getting destroyed, and you don't even know it. Every single day, you drive that car, you are hemorrhaging money through 7 ignored mistakes. Your dealer prays you never discover. This video exposes the hidden hacks that separate drivers who spend $200 a year on prevention from the ones writing $4,000 checks at the repair shop and crying in the parking lot. Every item on this countdown is a money-saving revelation, but stay until number 1, because that single $10 fix is silently responsible for over 200 roadside breakdowns every year and the most expensive false repairs in automotive history. Number 7. Tire rotation. Pressure reset. Rotating your tires without resetting pressure is a costly trap that kills a $600 tire set 19,000 miles too early. And most drivers have no idea it is happening. Consumer Reports confirms 57% of drivers rotate correctly, but never recalibrate pressure for the new load position, and NHTSA calculates that running just 4 psi under optimal burns an extra 112 there in fuel every single year on top of accelerated tread destruction. The fix costs almost nothing. Every rotation, grab a $15 digital tire gauge and recalibrate pressure to match the new axle load position listed in your owner's manual. That $15 gauge is the difference between 50,000 miles of life and 31 zero-zone miles of slow financial bleeding. Number 6. Cabin filter blower motor protection. A $19 filter is standing between you and a $580 blower motor replacement. And the terrifying part is most of you are throwing that protection straight in the trash without a second thought. On the 2017 to 2022 Honda CR-V and 2016 to 2021 Toyota RAV4, a clogged cabin filter forces the blower motor to strain under constant resistance until it burns out completely. And car complaints. COM is flooded with owners who paid for full HVAC assembly replacements they never saw coming. The solution takes 10 minutes. Replace your cabin air filter every 15,000 miles or once a year. Buy the $19 filter from any auto parts store and swap it yourself with 0 tools required. $19 and 10 minutes of your time permanently closes the door on that financial nightmare. Number 5. Brake fluid moisture test. This is the ticking time bomb hiding in plain sight on every single car with over 60 zone miles on the clock, and it is the one most drivers never think about until it is far too late. Brake fluid absorbs moisture from the air over time, and when water content climbs to 3%, your fluid's boiling point collapses under hard braking. Your pedal goes soft, your stopping distance explodes, and what started as a money problem becomes a life or death situation in seconds. On the 2018 to 2023 Ford F-150 and 2019 to 2022 Chevrolet Silverado brake line replacements from moisture corrosion run $1.00 to $1,800 before rotor and caliper damage even enters the conversation. Grab a $12 moisture test strip from any auto parts store today. Dip it in your brake fluid reservoir for 30 seconds, and if it reads above 2%, book an $80 to $150 flush immediately, because that flush is all that stands between you and a 4-figure catastrophe. Numbers 4. Differential fluid service. If you drive an AWD or 4WD vehicle and have never once touched your differential fluid, you are sitting on a financial time bomb worth $6,800, and the clock is already running. NHT has logged over 47 thorough drivetrain vibration and clunking complaints on vehicles like the 2015 to 2022 Subaru Outback, 2014 to 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and 2016 to 2022 BMW X3. Traced directly to differential fluid neglect, and owner forums read like financial horror stories. The fix is one simple appointment, an $80 to $120 fluid change at any independent shop every 30,000 to 45,000 miles completely eliminates that $6,800 rebuild risk. You are gambling your entire paycheck every single mile you skip this service, and now you have absolutely no excuse left to keep gambling. Number 3. Serpentine belt tensioner pulley check. The belt gets all the attention, but the tensioner pulley hiding behind it is the real financial predator lurking in your engine bay. And most mechanics never bring it up unless you ask directly. On 2013 to 2020 Hyundai Sonatas, 2015 to 2021 Kia Optimas, and 2014 to 2019 Chrysler 200s, tensioner failures, cited in over 112,000 NHTS complaints, destroy your alternator, power steering, and water pump simultaneously the moment one lets go at highway speed. The solution is non-negotiable. Never allow a Serpentine belt replacement without a simultaneous tensioner pulley inspection and replacement. A combined kit runs under $280 total in parts and labor, and that single decision permanently removes a $4,000 engine repair from your financial future. Ask your mechanic for tensioner confirmation every single time, and refuse to leave without it. Number 2. Oxygen sensor misdiagnosis trap. This $65 sensor has triggered more unnecessary four-figure repair bills than almost any other component in modern automotive history. And the most infuriating part is that every single one of those bills was completely avoidable. When the upstream oxygen sensor degrades on your 2014 to 2023 Toyota Camry, 2015 to 2022 Honda Accord, or 2013 to 2021 Nissan Altima, it sends corrupted fuel mixture data to your ECU, and shops across the country consistently misread that signal as catalytic converter failure, charging you $900 to $400 for a repair you never needed. Consumer Reports confirmed in 2022 that 1 in 4 catalytic converter replacements were preceded by an ignored oxygen sensor fault that cost $65 to fix. Before authorizing any emissions repair, demand a live upstream oxygen sensor voltage test and make your mechanic show you the reading. That one question costs you nothing and saves you over $1,000 every single time without fail. Number 1. Battery terminal corrosion cleaning. $10. That is the complete total cost of preventing the single most widespread hidden financial disaster in automotive history, and 99% of drivers walk right past it every week without a second glance. That white and blue crystalline crust forming on your battery terminals right now is silently spiking electrical resistance across your entire vehicle, causing your alternator to misread as failed, your starter to burn prematurely, and your ECU to throw phantom fault codes that send you on $400 diagnostic wild goose chases from shop to shop. The solution takes 8 minutes flat. Buy a $6 terminal cleaning brush and $4 of anti-corrosion spray. Disconnect your battery cables, starting with the negative terminal. Scrub both posts until bare metal shows. Coat them with the spray, reconnect, and repeat every 6 months without exception. NHTSA links battery terminal corrosion to over 200 Serone roadside breakdowns every single year, and every last one of them was a $10 fix that nobody ever bothered to make. You just learned 7 hacks your dealer hopes you never find, and every single one costs less than a restaurant meal to prevent, but thousands of dollars to ignore. If this video saved your wallet today, hit subscribe right now so you never miss the breakdown that saves you thousands next time. Drop a comment below and tell me where in the world you are watching from, because this community is growing fast and I want to know exactly who I am keeping out of the repair shop.